Just to question 9 of exercise 7.2, it is given that find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment. One line segment is given to us and we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. And A coordinate is given -2 and 2, and B coordinate is given to us 2 and 8. We have to divide this line into 4 equal parts. So let us do firstly the half of this. P divides the line AB. P is the midpoint. Let P is midpoint of AB we have taken. It is dividing in the ratio 1:1. And by applying midpoint formula, let us find the coordinates of P first. P coordinates are x and y. So apply the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. And x1 y1 this will become, and x2 y2 are this, for to find the values of coordinates of point P. Put their values -2 plus 2 over 2 and y1 and y2 2 plus 8 over 2. Solve it. 0 and 10. So the answer is 0 and 5. So in this way we have got the points of coordinates of P right over here. Now we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So we have done half. Now we will do the half of this. Let us take this point Q and let us do half of this. Take it R point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The line segment will be divided into 4 equal parts by these 3 points. Firstly do the half, then first half of first half and the half of second half. Then the line will be divided into 4 equal parts. Now to find the coordinates of Q. Now Q is midpoint of the line segment AP. So by the midpoint formula again, QXY will be, we have written the midpoint formula. This will become x1 y1 and this will become x2 y2 now. Right? Q is in the middle of this. So this plus this by 2, this plus this by 2. -2 plus 0 and 2 plus 5. So you will get the coordinates of this. Now R is the midpoint of which line? Second half. What is the second half? Second half is BP according to diagram. So the coordinates of R will be again x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now after solving you will get the answer. It will be this. So this is your answer. So the points in this way, the coordinates are firstly P, the answer is 0, 5, and then on point Q the answer is this, and the coordinates of R. So by these 3 points we have done that the line segment is divided into 4 equal parts, and hence the question.